Hi, I'm Dennis, and today I'll introduce you to this Hisense Induction Hob, which lets you cook on 18 different power levels from 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, all the way up to 9. You also have the option to additionally boost the highest level with the rapid boil function. 1 liter of water for pasta will boil in well under 3 minutes. On this hob, you can safely cook in bigger pots and pans with the flexible zone function, which allows connecting 2 zones into one. They cover almost the entire half of the hob, and you can simply manage it as a one cooking zone. You can activate the move function as well. That function connects 2 zones into one with 2 different power levels. When you finish cooking, you can just slide the pot to the back zone and it will stay warm until you are done or you need it again. When you turn on the move zone, the technology behind it makes it into a 2-step cooking zone. The first one works on the maximum power level, meaning level 9, and the second one is on power level 3. Smart cooking is also something that is worth mentioning, as it creates a new way of cooking. It's based on a precise set of preset temperatures which depend on the cooking method. You can do boiling, simmering, or even grilling. Now everyone can pass as an experienced cook thanks to this ultimate sensor technology that perfects the dishes every single time. The smart boil function is for dishes prepared with lots of water, like soups or pasta. It keeps the boiling temperature throughout the entire cooking time, but never boiling over. The smart simmer function is perfect for preparing stews because it maintains a constant temperature just below the boiling point of water. The smart grill function is an excellent one for steak lovers because it offers 4 different levels of doneness and also prevents the food from burning. This Hisense hob does the thinking for you because it automatically detects the pot position and activates just the right cooking zone. By sensing the pot position, it shows you which ring to use, leaving you just to set the right level. And probably the best feature is almost the simplest one. It's called the delete function. You know how annoying it is when you turn off a timer on a specific portion of the hob and then you have to go manually put the level to 0 because you can't turn the entire hob off if you're cooking on other areas as well. Problem solved, you just click on 1X and all the settings for that zone are deleted. However, all the other parts of the hob maintain at the same level. Thanks for watching.